Come back to yourself, Mama. Everything you need to feel centered and grounded is inside of you, and I'm here to help you find it. I'm Melissa Hurt of Integrative Studio, and I want to talk today about the parts of new motherhood that I feel like people aren't really talking about. Let's go into it. Now, number one, you might not recognize yourself right now. The intelligent, competent woman that you were pre-pregnancy, during pregnancy, or pre-adoption, during the process of adoption, however you became a mom, that woman that was prior might feel like a stranger to you now. That's totally normal. You are living a very different life, and it's okay to acknowledge the weirdness of that. Number two, you can feel grateful and completely overwhelmed at the same time. It's a yes and conversation. Yes, I am madly in love with this child, and I am completely burned out, and I feel like my resources are running thin, and I am so thankful to be a mom. All of that makes sense in the same sentence. Number three, healing is emotional and spiritual. It's not just physical. That time that your body is taking to heal from carrying a child and birthing a child, or the stress of going through an adoption process, however you came into motherhood, that part of what your body was going through, now you're moving into a new stage of how it's adapting to having the child. But there's an emotional component to that and a spiritual component to that, where it requires honest, radical reflection within yourself, owning up to the overwhelm that is perfectly normal, and leaning into your community however you are able. And I do prefer the real community, person-to-person community. So go to those mommy baby meetups. Find one friend. I remember one time on a stroller walk with my baby, I was pushing her around the neighborhood for like the third lap, and I came across another mom with a baby in a stroller who I hadn't seen before. And I said, "Oh my God, your baby looks like she's the same age as my baby." And we started talking. We became quick friends. We would do play dates together all the time. And to this day, 14 years later, she is still my best friend. You don't know who you're going to meet, but you have to put yourself out there. I wrote a book that goes into the real talk that we need to have so that we can use kindness and honesty with our journey as mothers. It's the postpartum path of yoga. And in this book, it's not only a 16-week program to rejuvenate and restore yourself in mind, body, voice, and spirit, but it also has community prompts in it. I'm giving you all the ideas on how you can create your tribe of women that you need to get through this current moment in your life. You've got this, and together we can lift each other up. You're not lost, you're becoming. So take a deep breath, come back to who you are, and I'll meet you here again.